another $5 unboxing. So, Walmart has a beauty box, like Target beauty box. It is a subscription service that comes out 4 times a year, so it is seasonal, and then sometimes here and there they do have like a trendsetter box sometimes, so it would be like an exclusive one, so that one's generally I think like $10, but it's not like every 3 months. The one that comes out every 3 months, it's a free box, but you do pay $5 for shipping, and that is it. And my winter box has arrived finally. Now it's getting close to spring. Everything takes longer when you live in Hawaii. Look, it's just, let's just get real. And I'm living for this box. It is white, black, and gold. I love it. If it didn't say Walmart right here, I'd literally keep the box and like put other things in it. But yeah, so I'm just gonna box for you guys. Celebrate your beauty. Your beauty is a gift to the world. Hashtag Walmart Beauty Box. So if you like want to post on social media or anything like that. And then enter to win a $100 gift card. Ooh, I'm going to do a beauty box survey. I want to enter. And then here, this is what you see when you open it. Ooh, makeup items this time. I'm so thrilled. Okay, so the first thing I'm picking up is this Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion Sheer Hydration. I love Aveeno's moisturizers, and I'm out of like little pocket ones. This is a travel sized one, and I like to keep this size in my purse, and I have not been carrying lotion with me because I'm out of things this size. I don't like buy any travel stuff. I just wait for it to come in the boxes, and it does. So I'm out, and now I have some, so I can start putting lotion on again, because I've been dry this winter. I have been dry. So, oh, I feel so good. This is such a good moisturizer. I've been using this one for years, so it's nice to have one of my faves back. Alright, so the next thing I pull out is the Dove Go Fresh Nutrium Moisture Soften Smooth Skin After One Shower. So this is a body wash, which is also amazing because we're running out and I forgot to buy some at the store. So this will be good for a few days until I can go pick some up. I love the Dove body washes. They smell so good. Oh, new scent. That one smells amazing. This is Pear and Aloe Vera scent. Really nice and fresh. So that is good. And then the next thing I got is, oh, I love this mask. Okay, I have this mask, Purifying, Brightening, Peeling Gel. This is my favorite mask, so I'm so glad that I got this one. Gomage type peeling, and it has vitamin C and E, clarifying radiance, and it's good for brightening. So I'm glad I have this. I think I'm going to do a mask tonight. It has been a hot minute. So then the next thing I pull out is a Maybelline Color Sensation Shaping Lip Liner. And this is a full size, by the way. When they send makeup, it's generally full size. So I think that is really good. Because I know that they don't really break makeup off into samples unless you get like one of those foil packs, but you know. So, oh, I'm so excited for, they haven't sent makeup products in a hot minute, so no wonder this box isn't as full, because you get actual makeup. Open. Okay, what color is this? What color? Oh, okay, I see. So this is one of those clear ones that you put on. You put it around your lips, and it's going to act as like a barrier so that your lip product doesn't bleed. So it's essentially, it's just like the Urban Decay one I used to use. It works for every single lip color. And it's essentially like a clear lip liner, which just prevents your lip product from bleeding. That is really cool. And what this is working as right now is like a concealer almost. Oh hey, that really sharpened up my lip liner. Nice! I'm gonna get so much use out of this. I'm gonna put this right up front and center. They sent an, ooh, okay, so I love the Aquaphor Therapy. This is an ointment body spray. It immediately soothes and relieves dry, rough skin all day. Easy to apply. Dermatologist recommended brand. By the way, yeah, Aquaphor is amazing. Like my elbows. Interesting. So it's like a dry oil almost. Interesting. Okay, that's actually really cool. Literally, this is a new product. It must be like a brand new product. I've never seen this before. So here it is right here. I've never seen this before in my life. I'm super intrigued, and that's cool. Okay, and then the last thing in here, other than some coupons, is a lipstick. This is one of the ones from their new, where's the thing in here? So this is, oh, this thing is a lip liner to go with this, nice. So this is their nude line, let's see, with Gigi Hadid. Color Sensation, Shaping, oh, it's for lip. I have Blushing Beige and one other, but ooh. I love Maybelline's lipsticks, some of the best from the drugstore. Very similar to what I'm wearing right now. That's so cool that they sent you a full-size lipstick, which by the way, their lipsticks are like $7, so this already like pays for more than the box itself. So you really get your money's worth when you get the Walmart Beauty Box. I highly recommend it. By the way, that was everything in the box, which it didn't seem like as much as you normally get, but it's because normally it's like a ton of like samplers and coupons. This time they sent you makeup, so I'm excited. That was an amazing box. I'm really excited. I did not plan on getting a brand new lipstick and lip liner today, so good day. Alright, so I know this video was super short, but I love doing these little unboxings for you guys. Let me know down below if you've ever heard of the Walmart Beauty Box. I know that I had never heard of it until I watched a YouTube video from Emily Noel. If you guys see her, I'm going to have her channel linked down below because I love her. But yeah, so let me know if you've heard of it. I know that a lot of people have heard of the Target ones, but I don't know if a lot of people knew Walmart did beauty boxes. Again, it comes out 4 times a year, so it is seasonal, and it is $5 for shipping. The box is free. And yeah, that is everything. I will have a link to it down below. I know that it's kind of hard to find, so I'm just going to give you guys the direct link so that you guys can go sign up if you guys are interested. I'm not affiliated or anything like that. But that is everything. That is everything for this video. If you are just now tuning my channel for the first time, I want to welcome you, and I hope you want to stick around by hitting that subscribe button and the little bell next to you so you miss any of my uploads. And if you're returning my channel, thank you so much for tuning in again. I love seeing you guys in the comments over and over and over. I just love talking to you guys so much, and I really appreciate the support, especially for those who've been with me for years and years. I really, really, really appreciate it. So I'm going to leave you guys with that, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.